welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Helen. I'm so excited that you could join me today. So today's video is my No Make No Life November unboxing. As always, I've been getting my No Make No Life boxes super quick. So I did receive this, I think like maybe November 1st, which is super fun. So here is the box for November. It looks about the same as it always does. But I really do like the No Make No Life box. It's just super fun, super different, kind of geeky, and just like not everything in here is like, you know, it's mostly like fun stuff. So I'm excited to see what November has in store. All right, first off, here is the No Make No Life little pamphlet, and it looks like the theme for November is Harajuku Sweet Dreams, which is super cute. I always love the artwork on their pamphlets. They're just always super adorable. Let's look at what our monthly, what is that called? Horoscope? Let's see what our horoscope is for November. Guys, there's no horoscope. I'm devastated. I really like the horoscopes. It's not in here. That's kind of a bummer. Oh well, no horoscope. But let's just get into the unboxing. All right, first off, we've got such cute things. But the first thing I have in here is this macaron lip balm in grape. And it is super cute. These are kind of like my favorite cookies. I love macarons. There's this one I used to get when I lived in Minneapolis, and it was a strawberry and balsamic vinegar macaron. Oh my gosh, love it. But this one is, let's see, this is a Korean, I'm gonna open it first. Oh my gosh, that's pure grape. It's like grape soda. I love grape soda. And that's what this smells like. Oh, I just realized I still have makeup on my hand. I just finished filming several videos. So I did my massive Ulta haul, holiday haul. I did my NYX advent calendar, and then I just finished filming my e.l.f. advent calendar. If you guys haven't seen those videos yet, they are fantastic. The advent calendars performed very well. And then my Ulta haul was just massive. So I definitely would check those out. I'll link one of them at least up above. When you're done watching this one, check them out. But I should probably remove this eyeshadow from my hand. I'm going to do that real quick. So I am not going to test this out right now. I do have lip stuff already on. But this is for sure going to get used. I am an addict of lip balms. So this says it's Skin Macaron Lip Balm. Macaron, anyone? Its skin is known for creating hypoallergenic cosmetics that are great for people with sensitive skin. Inside the cute macaron package is a gentle, moisturizing lip balm in pastel colors. It applies clearly so you can use it on its own for a gentle gloss or try over or under your lip look without changing your lipstick. Comes in grape, pineapple. I don't know what a pineapple is, but it comes with grape, pineapple, or choco. Ooh, choco would have been good too, but out of grape and pineapple, I'm glad I got the grape. Tip, try it on your eyelid or under eye area for a hydrating glossy boost. I am not quite on board with the glossy eye look. I think it looks a little strange. It looks a little like too avant-garde for me. So probably not gonna try it that way. But this is super cute. I am excited to use this. And this is a Korean brand. All right, next up we have another super adorable thing. Oh, it's so cute. This is the Skins Bonnie Yogurt Bonamini Wash Off Mud Pack. High needles. Okay. So that's what this looks like. It looks like one of those little yogurt cups that you'd get that you would like drink kefir or whatever. So this is from Korea. It's time for a sweet Harajuku spa day. Skins Bonnie super cute yogurt mud pack is great for a sweet self-care moment. First, you wash your face, apply generously to the skin, wait roughly 15 minutes, and wash off. The pack is a little hard at room temperature, so make sure to warm the pack slightly to make it easier to apply. Comes in one of 3 varieties. Green tea, which is soothing and protecting. Yellow, which is pine, improving color and elasticity, or black, charcoal, which is pore cleaning. So I got the color and elasticity. I'm not sure what improving color means. Maybe it just like is for dark spots or something. But I could use some help with elasticity, so that's cool. All right, next up we've got the Choosy X Milky Sugar Lip Scrub. Ooh, nice. This is a Japanese brand, and again, super adorable. That's what the packaging looks like. So another cute collab from Choosy and Milky. This sweet sugar scrub is great for removing dead skin while still being gentle on your lips. The scrub is also coated in soft petrolatum and jojoba oil for added lip care. For a full explanation of how to use the scrub, check page 6. So yeah, usually where they have like the horoscopes, they have a little bit of a how to use this scrub section. So super cute. I am excited for that. I do love a good lip scrub. All right, next up we have a makeup remover, peach leaf makeup remover wipes. That's what the packaging looks like. After a long day of exploring Harajuku, nothing is better than refreshing at home. Take off your makeup easily with these peach leaf wipes. Featuring peach leaf extract, they keep your skin moisturized, while the oil helps to easily remove makeup in one swipe. And they have a sweet peach scent. I love peach scented items. I feel like I get a lot from No Life, and so that always makes me super happy. I'm excited to try these out. They're super cute. Like I said, it's pretty hefty feeling. I think they're just like little makeup wipes, but in a super adorable little, like it almost looks like a tissue box. So excited to try that out. What I might do is use it to like remove my lipstick and then try like a lip product on that I get in the box. So adorable. And that, if I didn't mention, is from Japan as well. All right, next up we have another Choosy Milky item. So this is the Choosy X Milky Lip Pack. And this is a collab between Choosy, known for their cute lip products. The Milky, famous Japanese candy brand with the cute mascot, Piko-chan, is here for some lip hydrating goodness. The pack wraps the lips and fits tightly to improve lip softness and health. After using the Milky Lip Scrub, apply this to the lips and enjoy the effect for up to 7 days. Comes in varieties classic milky, fruity strawberry milky, or sweet cocoa milky. So I got the sweet cocoa milky. I'm excited about that one as well, and I like that I can use it after I've used the lip scrub. Next up, we have a nail stand. This is cute. This is like what you put your nail polish in, and then it makes it easier to hold it while you're doing your nails. So this is a vivid color nail stand. This is from Japan. So want to treat yourself to some sweet nail art? The vivid color nail stand is here to help. Place your finger or toe in the ring and let it keep you steady while you create. It has a handy suction cup for extra flexibility. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think that would make it pretty handy to paint your nails. I don't do a lot of nail painting. When I do, it's like either I've done like gel or I have like my press-on nails. So I'm not sure how much use I'll get out of this, but I know my mom likes to paint her nails. So I am going to hand this over to her, I believe. All right, next up, we have 2 more items in this box, I think. Yep, 2 more. So next up, we have another yogurt mask. So this kind of looks like it's also that same like yogurty drink thing. Super cute. This is the Skins Bonnie Yogurt Mask Pack. So it's the same one as that Mud Pack, same brand. This is Korean. Adding the yogurt goodness, enjoy the Skins Bonnie Yogurt Mask. This refreshing and hydrating face mask is easy and smooth to apply and is great for skin elasticity with the added lactic acid bacteria. Super cute. I love a good face mask, so I'm looking forward to trying that. All right, our last item is adorable. It looks like a little book. It's so cute. And this is the Shobi Sloan Fruits Cheek Color Palette. So this is from Japan. It says, we're cooking up some sweet looks with the Shobi Sloan Fruits Cheek Color Palette Cookbook. Comes in one of 2 colors, baby orange and coral pink, and it has a brush and magnetic shut case for touch-ups on the go. So it says how to use, create a 3D look by applying the lighter color on top of the cheekbones, followed by the brighter color on the highest spot of the cheek. Super cute. Let's see which color I got. Oh, that's cute. It's a little brush. is not functional, I don't think. But the inside is adorable. And I love that it looks like a little book. And it's magnetic closed. Super cute. Let's see if it's scented. No. Alright. As usual, the No Make No Life box is adorable. Everything in here I'm excited to try out. The nail thing I probably won't use as often, but I'm going to give it to my mom and then I can use it whenever. But yeah, so before I completely finish up, let's go ahead and open the makeup wipe, and I'm going to try taking off the lipstick, and then I'll put on that lip balm I got. So that's what it looks like inside after opening. It's just like the normal makeup wipe deal. I guess it slightly smells of peaches. It smells like peaches and cleaner, basically. Alright, take this off. Get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I mean, it did a good job removing the lipstick. No complaints there. All right, and let's grab the grape lip balm and put this on. Try not to mess it up with my nails. It smells super good. I love the smell. I don't normally like grapey things, but this smells like grape soda, and I love grape soda. Super cute. It feels nice on the lips. It feels nice and moisturizing. It doesn't feel like oily or sticky or anything, so I'll definitely be using this. And it's such a cute little package. But yeah, that was my No Make No Life November box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super excited to see what December has in store. I don't know if they're going to do like a holiday themed thing, but I can't wait to find out. So if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and then on Fridays I post lifestyle videos. Moving forward for the rest of November and December, I probably won't do a lifestyle video on Fridays. I will probably keep the beauty videos going just because I have a lot of like holiday kits and holiday looks I want to do. So past January, I will definitely bring back the lifestyle type videos. But yeah, so I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!